Our today's topic is signal transduction. Signal transduction is the pathway of signals from outside of cell to the inside of cell. For example, this is a cell. It has a number of receptors on its surface, but also there are different types of molecules present in the cell's environment. The receptors will allow only the molecules similar to its structure to attach to it. These molecules will activate another type of molecules inside the cell. These second type of molecules, also known as second messengers, will attach to the receptor on the nucleus of a cell. These will activate the DNA and generate the cellular response or the response of the cell for the given stimulus. This is called signal transduction. Now, there are two types of molecule. Either they are water soluble like proteins or they are lipid soluble like lipids. Both of them have their own mechanism, almost similar but a little bit different for the transport inside the cell. The protein molecules are water soluble, so they cannot easily cross the cell membrane. Hence, they have the receptors on the surface of membrane. These molecules attach to the receptors, activate the molecules inside the cell, which will activate another type of molecules. These type of molecules will cross the nucleus and activate the DNA. Hence, the response is generated. For the lipid-soluble molecule, mostly these are the steroid hormones. These type of the lipid molecules are easily soluble in plasma membrane. They can easily cross. Hence, the receptors are present inside the cell. The molecule will cross the membrane, attach to its receptor. These receptor hormone complex will enter the cell's nucleus, activate the DNA, and the response is generated. The protein molecules that activated the another type of molecules generated a series of reactions called the cascade. These molecules are called the second messengers. The molecules involved in signal transduction are usually hormones. They can be protein hormones or the steroid hormones. To summarize, signal transduction is the passage of signals from outside to inside of cell. The molecules that are usually transported are hormones. They can be protein hormones or the steroid hormones. Protein hormones are water soluble, so the receptors are present outside the cell. The molecules attached to the receptors form a receptor hormone complex. This will activate a series of reactions called cascade inside the cell. The second messenger molecule will cross the nucleus, activate the DNA, and generate the response. For the steroid hormones, they are lipid soluble, hence they can easily cross the plasma membrane. Their receptors are present inside the cell. As soon as the molecules cross the plasma membrane and enter the cell, they form the receptor hormone complex. This receptor hormone complex crosses the nucleus, activates the DNA, and generates a response.